Welcome back to all you viewers. This is another video by Concrete Design Systems about how to resurface your driveway in a standard gray finish, just like it was when it was brand new. This is typical of what we come up against up here in northern Utah, and most any freeze-thaw areas of the country experience the same thing on flat work where it's exposed to the cold weather. It's very common where the pitting and chipping and the flaking takes place. We call it spalling in the concrete language, is the typical chemical reaction that takes place when it gets too much extreme exposure. First thing we do is we grind off everything that's loose. Once that's done, then we can start with a little fun, put some music on, and let's dance to the pressure washing. And once the pressure cleaning process is all complete, then we're ready to start and rock and roll with this application of the Resurfacer. Polymer modified cement is what we use to create the new surface. Once that is mixed to a consistency that is just right for troweling in place, then we go ahead and we can put it down. Once that is put into place, then we go behind it, we grind it to take out any of the shadowed areas, high spots, trowel marks, and then we go back over it again with a finish mix. The first mix is a filler and a patch mix, a little heavier sand granule, whereas the second coat is always a little bit finer sand granule, so it has a little bit more of the same consistency as a broom finish would have when you typically pour new concrete. This is what it looks like when it's done. All of that hodgepodge discoloration is just where it's drying in areas and still wet in others. This is what it looks like immediately after it's been resurfaced in temperatures at about 75 degrees in the afternoon. And this is how they look in the long run after they've had time to set and cure. You can resurface steps, you can do driveways, you can do walkways, corridors, foundations, landings, stairs of all kinds, whether it be industrial, commercial, or residential like these demonstrate here. They typically have just a trowel finish on them, as you can see. There's not a broom finish in them. They can be broom finished. It just is our preference not to do that so that it doesn't have the inconsistencies oftentimes that broom finishes have. This is a before shot of a driveway, and this demonstrates what it looks like after it's been resurfaced. Besides just standard concrete resurfacing, Concrete Design Systems provides other surface coatings like this, where we can put color in the sealer, and textured cracked rock design patterns like this, solid color staining, brick patterns, natural stone patterns like this on driveways, multicolored staining like this, and intricate concrete designs like this. Thanks for joining us at Concrete Design Systems. It's been a pleasure to show some of these innovative processes with you. And how about this? A brief introduction to those that make it all possible.
Meet Zach and Larissa, brother and sister.
Oh, sibling love. And then Rick. And then...
This is Larissa's offspring, Ray Ray.
Look at the camera. Say hi. Hi, wave. Hi. Hi.
This is my awesome daughter, Larissa, and my hard-working son, Zach, along with Colin, who is a great asset to our company. Concrete Design Systems tries to change up the routine of resurfacing, and in this case we decided to help a customer install a basketball standard. I think that this was a good change for the crew, and as always they did just an outstanding job, and it was a good experience. Thanks for joining us here at Concrete Design Systems today. We appreciate your audience, and we look forward to presenting to you more innovative concrete surfacing projects. In the meantime, Have an amazing, wonderful day, and happy home improvements.